What's up, social media superstars? Ready to unlock the secret to turning your comments into loyal followers? Today I'm sharing an incredible feature that's been flying under the radar, but is absolutely crushing it for content creators who know how to use it. The follow-gated DM feature. If you're tired of getting hundreds of comments, but barely any new followers, this tutorial is about to change your entire game. Head over to your ReplyRush dashboard and look for the features section on the left side. Click on Follow Gated DM and you'll see a switch on the right side. Turn that baby on. Two powerful options will appear. The first option ensures every new post automatically connects with this feature, while the second one links all your existing content to maximize your current post's potential. Next, it's time to craft your magic message. Navigate to the message section where you'll create the message that asks commenters to follow you. This is where your creativity shines. Make it friendly, genuine, and irresistible. Set an attractive button title and hit save. The activation process is effortless. When someone comments on your post, they'll be prompted to follow you before receiving your automated DM response. Only after they hit that follow button will they get your reply. It's like having a 24/7 conversion machine that turns casual engagement into genuine followers who are actually interested in your content. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and ring the notification bell for more incredible features that will take your social media game to the next level.